Ever dream of achieving financial freedom? Imagine a life where money worries fade away, replaced by the exciting possibilities of pursuing your passions and living life on your terms. That's the allure of investing, the potential to transform your financial future. But what separates those who consistently win in the markets from everyone else? Is it just luck, or is there a secret formula? The truth is, the world's greatest investors share common traits that go far beyond simply picking stocks. They possess a unique blend of financial acumen, unwavering discipline, and an almost uncanny ability to navigate the market's twists and turns. But perhaps their most powerful asset is their mindset. They see opportunities where others see risk, and they understand that true wealth is built over time, not overnight. This isn't just about becoming a billionaire, though that's a nice thought. It's about achieving financial security, gaining control over your money, and designing a future where you call the shots. Ready to unlock the secrets of the world's top investors? Let's dive in. The journey to financial success starts in your mind. Top investors understand this fundamental truth. They cultivate a mindset rooted in continuous learning, embracing calculated risks, and maintaining an unwavering belief in their ability to succeed. This isn't about arrogance, it's about confidence built on knowledge and experience. Think of it like this: your mindset is the compass guiding your investment decisions. If your compass is clouded by fear, doubt, or misinformation, you'll likely stray off course. But with a clear, focused mindset, you're better equipped to navigate market volatility and make sound decisions that align with your long-term goals. One powerful aspect of this mindset is the willingness to embrace lifelong learning. The financial landscape is constantly changing, with new technologies, industries, and investment strategies emerging all the time. Successful investors are voracious learners, constantly seeking new information, refining their strategies, and adapting to the ever-evolving market dynamics. Now, let's address the age-old debate in the investment world. Is successful investing an art or a science? Some argue that it's a purely analytical pursuit, driven by data, algorithms, and complex financial models. Others believe it's more about intuition, gut feelings, and an almost artistic ability to anticipate market trends. The reality is, it's a bit of both. There's no denying the importance of solid financial knowledge, understanding market indicators, and conducting thorough research. These are the foundational elements of sound investing. However, the human element, intuition, emotional intelligence, and the ability to see beyond the numbers plays a crucial role as well. The most successful investors strike a delicate balance between art and science. They combine their analytical prowess with a healthy dose of intuition, allowing them to make informed decisions that factor in both logic and market sentiment. It's this unique blend that allows them to consistently outperform the market and achieve exceptional results. Section 4. Learning from Legends, Warren Buffett, and Value Investing. No discussion about successful investors would be complete without mentioning Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett's investment philosophy, centered around value investing, has become legendary, inspiring countless individuals to adopt a long-term, patient approach to building wealth. Value investing, in essence, is about identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and holding on to those investments for the long haul. It's about looking beyond short-term market fluctuations and focusing on the intrinsic value of a business. Buffett's incredible success is a testament to the power of this disciplined, long-term approach. But Buffett's genius extends beyond just picking winning stocks. He's a master of risk management, always emphasizing the importance of investing in businesses he understands and avoiding excessive leverage. His patient, disciplined approach, coupled with his unwavering focus on value, has made him one of the wealthiest and most respected investors of all time. Section 5. Mastering your emotions, the key to long-term success. Here's a secret that many novice investors don't realize. Investing is as much about mastering your emotions as it is about mastering financial concepts. The market can be a roller coaster, with periods of exhilarating highs and gut-wrenching lows. It's during these times of volatility that your emotions can either be your greatest asset or your worst enemy. Successful investors understand the importance of emotional intelligence in navigating the market. They don't let fear drive them to sell at the bottom of a downturn, nor do they let greed cloud their judgment during periods of irrational exuberance. They maintain a level head, sticking to their investment strategy and making rational decisions based on their long-term goals. Think of it like this: your emotions are like waves in the ocean. They can be powerful and unpredictable. But by learning to ride the waves instead of letting them crash over you, you can navigate the market with greater confidence and achieve sustainable, long-term success. Section 6. Unlock your inner investor. The journey to becoming a successful investor begins with a single step. It's about cultivating the right mindset, embracing lifelong learning, and developing the discipline to stick to your investment strategy, even when the market throws you a curveball. Remember, investing isn't just about becoming wealthy. It's about empowering yourself, taking control of your financial future, and designing a life of financial freedom and abundance. So, are you ready to unlock your inner investor and embark on this exciting journey? Start by educating yourself, seeking out mentors, and surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded individuals. The world of investing is full of opportunities, and with the right knowledge, mindset, and support system, you can achieve your financial dreams. And don't forget to subscribe to the Billionaire Queen channel for more insightful tips and strategies on mastering your finances and living your best life. Let me know in the comments what financial topics you'd like me to cover next. Together, let's unlock the secrets to financial success.